Right. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Forex Trading with Sai. If you're finding me for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And let's get straight into it. So before we even start this week's episode, I just want to say follow me on Twitter where I post most of my trade setup opportunity on my Twitter account. As you can see, last week I posted AUDJPY for a trade setup. Let's have a look at it, and then as we can see here, AUDJPY. There you go, target hit. Remember, people, not every week it's going to be a winning trade, but as you can see here with AUDJPY, this trade worked out pretty nice for us, which gave us a total of 64 pips. So let's get back into this week's watch list. So on this weekly's watch list, I've got my eyes on 4 pairs, which are AUDCAD, Euro AUD, USDCAD, and USDJPY. So starting off with AUDCAD, you can see the market has gone into consolidation zone on the 4-hour time frame. So we've got 2 levels here we're looking at, which is the resistance level and the support level. So what I'm looking for is either the market to touch any of these 2 levels here and see if we have a reversal pattern. So I'm favoring it to the downside at the moment because we are in a downtrend. So I'm expecting the market to come down to the support level here. If we do not get a break, then I'm going to look out for a reversal pattern and expect the market to shoot back up towards the upside. So I'm favoring the market to push back up here, which should give us anywhere the range of 60 pips if we could get in a nice position. So that's for AUDCAD. That's scenario 1. Scenario 2 would be a break towards the downside. So push towards the support level, and then get a break. Probably play about around this level, then get a break, push back up, and then there we go. Head towards the downside. I'll probably try to pick up anywhere between 30-40 pips within of a break of a currency pair. Next, we're gonna have Euro AUD. So with Euro AUD, I've literally gone in for a sell trade on Euro AUD. The reason is because I'm going to quickly explain this. We have came to this resistance level. You see this false breakout here we had. You see it push towards the upside, break this resistance level we have right here, and then come back down into its consolidation zone. So what happens next is, before we jump right in for a sell, I was waiting for a pullback, which we did have a pullback here, and then from this level here, I just waited for a break to confirm that this is a false breakout and that the market should continue its downwards momentum towards the downside. But at this moment, it's been a bit tricky. We had a little push, 5-10 pips, but then it's come back up. So right now, we're just patiently waiting for this trade here to work out for us. I'm aiming 69 pips for this trade, so I think this is the only trade that will come into play this week, Euro AUD. Unless if I see any other setup, will also put on my Twitter account. So that's Euro AUD trades set up right there. If you follow me on Twitter, you would have saw that I posted this trade up, as you can see right here. I posted it up earlier today, 25 minutes ago. So let's get onto USDCAD. So the reason why I highlighted USDCAD, you can see USDCAD was in a downtrend on a 4-hour time frame, similar to like how AUDCAD was from 20th December. So what I've seen here, I think we have come to the end of its downwards trend. So what I've done now, we can see we've pushed towards the upside, broken the last lower high. So now we've seen that right here, it's looked like we've made a new higher high. So what I've done, I've put a Fibonacci on it and see where this pullback will take us. Would it come to any of these Fibonacci levels here? So that's what I'm waiting for on USDCAD. So let's move on to USDJPY. So let's move on to USDJPY. With USDJPY, looking at on the daily time frame, we've hit this support level here once and twice. 1, 2. So let's look onto the 4-hour time frame. So what I'm looking for now for USDJPY is either come up to this resistance level right here, or come back down to the support level and break the support level. But all in all, I'm hoping for what USDJPY to do is come up to this resistance level right here, see if it hold, and then have a reversal pattern and come back down towards the downside. So a similar situation to USDCAD, push up towards the upside, touch resistance level, and come back down towards the downside. So I'm looking to make anywhere between around, let's say, ooh, that's a lot of pips there, 100 pips. Let's be honest, probably anywhere around 98 pips or 100 pips with USDJPY. So that's one scenario I'm hoping for USDJPY to play out. So that brings it to the end of this video, people. Just want to say, if you made it to the end, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up. Also helps out the video a lot. Helps out the YouTube channel to grow. And I'll see you all next time.